Welcome to this first training. So today I'll be showing you how I was able to craft my simple flyers and how I'll be able to do it for several people, several free trainings, several free flyers that I design for people. Using my accolade media. We run out for people, and sometimes most folks don't have designers or they don't know how to design, so they give us that we should help them to design. And most of the time, those people they don't really have good content on the flyer, so I help them to edit it, redesign it, and make it better. You get so now I want to show you how I was able to come up with that WhatsApp training conversion summit. Is it conversion? Yes, I think that's the title. So I just gave it to one of our designer and he has been working on it. So the first step I did is that I tell you that every business owners must know how to use AI to their advantage. Although I've been doing these things without AI, but now that there's AI, why racking my brain when I can easily use AI and combine my brain with it? So you need simple knowledge of sales and marketing and copywriting here whenever you are doing this, because there are some words that are very powerful that you must include in your sales copy or in your flyers or anything that has to do with advertisements or you want to sell something. So now I come to this place. All of us, what Meta AI is. Meta AI is just like AI for Meta. Like it's on Facebook, it's on WhatsApp, it's on Instagram for some folks. Then if you are not using Meta AI, you can use ChatGPT. You can also use Gemini, that is Bart AI, Google AI. Yeah, so just go to the AI and ask this simple question. Like I said, okay, I want to organize a WhatsApp training. This one. I want to organize a WhatsApp training that covers WhatsApp automation, WhatsApp group tagging, and WhatsApp group training template. That is also what you should do before you organize your WhatsApp trainings and the rest. So now he gave me some examples and he has some potential titles for your options for WhatsApp training, blah 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 blah. I said I don't really like it because it's not punching to what I want. I said, okay, give me flyer title that covers everything. I know that all those ones are good, but they are not really punching because I have eagle eyes. When I see something, I know that it is good. So give me flyer for this, and it's come up with this WhatsApp productivity boost. This one is very nice. WhatsApp productivity boost is what I actually have go with, but what I actually feel is nice, but my stuff is not just about productivity, it's more of conversion. You get, I want it to be like more of conversion. Conversion means them buying, but productivity means saving time, doing something as many times as possible, as fast as possible. You get. So I said, okay, nice, okay, rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. This is where it's getting interesting. This is where I use AI. This is what I want AI to do. AI will rate it. Instead of going to folks that, okay, how is this flyer? How is this copy? How is this one? Let me to rate it. So you come to AI, ask AI to rate these titles. Let's say you have 3 titles in your mind, or you've gotten 3 titles from AI. Just feel like, okay, rate these titles. So AI said, WhatsApp productivity boost is 7. Mastering WhatsApp for business is 9. WhatsApp like a pro is 8. Unlock WhatsApp full potential is 9. WhatsApp training summit is 10. Now it's getting interesting. You just relax. WhatsApp training is 10. Transform your WhatsApp experience is 8. WhatsApp business essential is 8. WhatsApp mastery is 9. So I look at all this and I said, okay, wow, this one that looks 10. WhatsApp training summit. I said, okay, bring out the 9 and the 10. So AI brought out the one that is having the 10 rating and the 9 rating. So he said, here are the top rated titles options with rating 9 and 10. So this is the 10 and these are the 9 one. Okay, I said, okay, WhatsApp training summit, automation group tagging template strategy for peak performance. Okay, I said I like that title in my mind. I feel like, oh, when that 10 is looking nice, but it's not see what I want. Like me, I know what I want in my brain. I'm a very great crazy copywriter and direct response marketer. I know what I want. I know what something is good enough. So I said, WhatsApp training revolution, WhatsApp training conversion summit. I come up with these 2 titles. You can see it's not here. Those are the titles I have in mind before. So I said, okay, rate them. He said, here are my rating for the 2 new title options. WhatsApp training revolution is 9. WhatsApp training conversion summit is 10. Okay, he said, here is why. WhatsApp training revolution is a strong title that suggests a significant transformation or change in the way participants use WhatsApp. It is short, memorable, and attention grabbing. However, it may not explicitly convey the focus of the practical skills and results. So that's why it is 9. Now let's look at the one that is 10. WhatsApp training conversion summit is an even stronger title that builds on the idea of transformation. Exactly, that's what I want to sell. I want to sell transformation, that is, people should be able to convert the WhatsApp audience or WhatsApp group audience, WhatsApp group participants to buyers. Okay, the word summit implies a high level gatherings which add to the title's impact. This title efficiently conveys the training emphasis on practical skills. You get practical skills and measurable outcome. Rating 10. Now I edited it myself. WhatsApp training conversion summit. I now added these subtitles. This one, DM automations, group tagging, both template strategies, and conversion peak for performance. He said, okay, wow, that's a very detailed and descriptive titles. Here is my rating. Blah blah blah. He said I will give it 11. So that's 11 over 10. That means it's very good. But to me, it's still not very good. You get, but me, I know what I want. Me, I know when something is perfect that you don't need to remove anything. They say perfection is when you can't remove anything. It's not when you can't add something. Perfection is a stage where you cannot remove anything. It's not when you can still add. When you can still add something, it's not yet perfect. But when you can't remove anything again, that's perfection. So now let's go. He said the title is exceptional. He said the title is exceptional because start with strong attention grabbing phrase. WhatsApp training, blah blah blah. Clearly stated specific topics that will be covered, blah blah blah. Emphasis the ultimate goal of the training, peak performance. Use keywords that are relevant to the topics, e.g. automations, boot template, conversion pillars. Then these titles convey the scope, blah blah blah. In my mind was and you did try, but now you've not giving me what I really want. So I said, what's our training conversion summit? DM automation, group tagging, template strategies, TV/influencer. When you want to do trainings, you need people to run out for you now. So if you want to convert people, you first of all need someone to help you repost to show more people. You can't convert and zero participant. You need to show more people. So I like TV and influencer. So the idea is that I have something to sell. I have in my mind that I know I want to sell something at the end of this training, but I know I have to do it in a way that it will capture those I really want, like the target audience, those folks. I'm looking for those that are interested in automations, those that are interested in group tagging, but at least they want to tag people in their WhatsApp training. Then for folks that are doing WhatsApp training for the first time, that is this one, template strategy. That means I will give them the templates on how they can organize their WhatsApp training for the first time. So TV/influencer is for those that are looking for reliable and tested influencers or TV to run and to outreach. Then this conversion is for folks that are doing all this stuff, but they are not really converting them to buyers. Yet, so that's why I combine all those subtitles together and come up with something. Now, he said, and even more details and comprehensive title. Here is my updated ratings. He said it is 12. Now remember, it was 10, it was 11, now it is 12. So now I said now it's like it is perfect like this. Say the title is truly exceptional because it's covered blah blah blah. So now I added more stuff. I said WhatsApp training conversion summit, a productivity boost, free training for serious marketers covering DM. This is what I'm talking about. This DM automations, group tagging, bots, template strategies. To join, send the word summit to 08103 on WhatsApp. This is the kind of content you send to your graphic designer. You don't expect your graphic designer to be the one to write the content, or let's say you want to give us Accolade Media to do something for you. You don't just say that I want to design flyer and you don't have any content. No, I mean, what I mean by content is the message that will be on the flyer. So that message on the flyer is very, very important. Very important. Like I said, Mr. Tony Omotoso said the difference between 1,000 naira and 15 naira is the message on the paper. Let's say you change the message on 15 naira, it can change to 1,000 naira. Let's say you design the same way you design 1,000 naira and change it to 15 naira. It will turn to 15 naira. You get, so you need to be very conversant with the message on the title, on your flyers, on your billboards, on your sales copy, on your website, and just thing. So all those messages are very important. He said, now this is a complete and actionable invitation. Here's my rating. Perfect. Yes, it will give you a perfect rating. This invitation is exceptional because it grabs attention with a clear and direct headline. Emphasizes the value of the training, productivity boost for peak performance. Specify the target audience, serious marketers. Exactly. I'm looking for those that are serious. Those folks that are running adverts, or they know that they are going to run adverts to get more people. I'm not looking for I'm hungry something. You get? So I'm looking for a serious person. Now I copy this one, and send it to my designer. I have lots of them in my team that I use for designs, either my own, people's own, clients' own, my friends' own, or even our school they need design, or church they need design. These are the people I use. So you can't expect let's say you're an affiliate marketer now, you are promoting the same product with your folks. You have thousands of athletes, so you are now copying the same thing with the same people. How do you want people to click? We have a lot of people that have done trainings on WhatsApp training, group tagging. We have people that have done trainings on WhatsApp, influencer something. So me, I need to come up with something that is different. Something that is different. Even the same influencer that you guys have used before, I'm still going to use them. But when they see my own flyer, they see the content on it, they read it, they be like, wow, this thing is nice. I have not seen something like this before. Let me click. Let me see what curiosity is here. So we want to make them curious and click. Even if they are not buying what I am aiming to sell at the end of it, one day we have my contact. They can buy my other stuff. They can buy people's I promote. You know, I'm an influencer, so I can promote people. They can still buy other people's product. Even if they not buy my own, they buy other people's own. If they don't buy other people's own, they buy my other product. You get, at least in one way they will still buy. You get, so you need to be very, very, very serious when you are crafting your message, especially for your WhatsApp trainings, your flyers, your sales copy, your landing page. So if you need any flyer, you need sales copy for your titles, you need anything, you can just contact Accolade Media. We have over 10 different experts in different niches that we give you different stuff you need. Either you need a website, you need a sales copy, you need sales page, you need designs, you need video ads, you need anything that has to do with advertisement. We have it for you. So you can reach out to me if you need any stuff. I'm going to put my link or our link inside the comment section or on the video description or anyhow you see this video. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to work with you. Mike Accolade.